Hi everyone, it's Dawn and I wanted to come on here today to show you a very quick eye look using the Violet Voss Nicol Concilio palette that I received from Kathy from Kathy's Beauty Care Chats, and I love this palette. I shared it with you in a recent favorites video and I wanted to show you how I like to use this palette. I wanted to show you a look with this palette is because these are colors that I would typically not choose for myself. There are a lot of warm and cool shades in here, but they're mostly banana yellowy shades, golden shades with some bronze shades, terracotta orange, and then of course we've got our pop of blue here. But these are colors that I have nothing like. I do have some palettes that have these warmer kinds of terracotta orangey shades in them, but I don't have any palettes that have yellows. And recently, Kara from Kara's Corner, I'll link her video in the description box, did a video showing a yellow makeup look. And if you know Kara, she has tan skin. Has light brown hair with blonde highlights, and she wore the yellow eyeshadows so beautifully, but I didn't think it was something that would look good on me at all. So when Kathy sent this palette to me, I thought, well, what the heck, I'll give it a try. And I was shocked at how much I enjoy the colors on myself. And I really like them a lot. So much so that I'd like to get a backup of this palette, but I'm going to hold off because I know they'll continue to make shades like these in some form in other palettes, although I don't currently have anything else like this. So I did go ahead and do one eye already, and I thought I would just keep this video brief and show you how I achieved this yellow kind of golden eyeshadow look on my other eye. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go in with a Morphe blending brush, and I'm going to take a combination of this color. I'm just going to swirl it around in this color, which is called Daisy. And then I'm going to go into Zaza up here. And Zaza is a beautiful banana shade. I do like to wear this one on its own with some lighter colors, but they look much better in real life than they do on camera, because on camera you need to go a little bit deeper with the pigment for it to show up. So I'm blending some other colors in. It'll still create a beautiful look, but it'll be a little more dramatic in real life. So anyways, that's why I'm blending the two, just to deepen it up. So I really like to get this onto my mobile lid, and I go up onto my brow bone and a little bit out to the tail of my eyebrow. Just sort of pack that on, and it's just a beautiful banana colored transition shade that I think is universally flattering. I think any woman could wear these shades. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M330, and it's just a very nice dome or cone shaped crease brush, and I'm going to go in to this color right here called Sagittarius, and again I'm going to mix it a teeny bit with Nicol, and I'm going to put this into my crease and above my crease, because if I look straight at the camera, it will fall into my crease if I only leave it in my crease. So I have to go a little bit above my crease, and then I just kind of look down and get the rest into the crease, and I just build it up with a swirly motion here on the outer corner of my eye. Again, I don't go past where the tail of my brow bone is. Okay, now I'm going to take a very fine detailed Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to go in to this Chocolata right here, and it's just a very chocolatey brown shade. It looks a little black on the camera, but it's actually just a very dark brown shade. And I'm going to put in the palette. I'm just going to lift my eye and line my lash line with it and flick up. I'm going to do a cut crease going into my crease, drawing a line in my crease, And you don't have to be super precise because you're going to blend it out. Now I'm going to take this color called Hangry, and it's a beautiful terracotta shade. And I also just have a Sigma fine detail brush, and this is a Sigma E46, I believe. And I'm going to just line my lower lash line with this, and again go over the Chocolata on the upper lash line. And so that's what I'm using for my eyeliner, the Hangry and the Chocolata. Now I'm going to go back in with my Morphe blending brush, and I'm only going to go into Zaza, and it's just a luminous, it doesn't have shimmer, it's just a very luminous banana shade. And I'm going to reapply that onto my movable lid or my mobile lid just to brighten it up, because it's such a pretty color and it adds so much brightness. And I think that's really pretty for summer. And now I'm just going to take whatever's left on the brush and blend the rest of the colors. Okay, so that's it for the shadow, and now I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You could go with the L'Oreal Telescopic or the Lancome Diffinisil's or any kind of mascara that you like if you prefer length and definition. But today I wanted a more voluminous lash, so I'm going with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how I use this Nicol Concilio palette by Violet Voss. I'm new to Violet Voss. I know many of you have recommended the hashtag palette and some other palettes by Violet Voss. But I think that this is a very well-designed palette, and I think for the money, which I think is about $42 or $45, you get a lot of beautiful colors, and they're very highly pigmented, blendable, and they just feel like satin when you use them. And I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day.